So here, according to Iqbal, nature is creative flow, continuous creative flow. And thought is which imposes, let's say, order on this flow, continuous creative flow. And thought does it through concepts and categories. And this overall picture, although obviously Kant wouldn't say that nature is a creative continuous flow, because that would be thing in itself, which is beyond our thoughts. That's why Iqbal and Hegel and all these people who claim that, post-Kantians who claim that nature is continuous creative overflow, they have to go back to some sort of intuition which Kant had rejected. So this is the picture of nature is. So nature is creative flow, which thought cuts up into a isolated immobility out of which mutual relations arise, out of whose mutual relation arise the concept of space and time. So space and times are concepts. So in Kantian terms, they are forms of intuition. So they are not out there; they are impositions of our thought. Thus, we see how modern science utters agreement with Berkeley's criticism, which it once regarded as an attack on its very foundation. Now, there are two things which should be noted here.